Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Chris, and today I want to talk about your average rates in the market. These are going to be mainly for home loans. So as you can see, there's a 10-6 ARM loan, there's a 15-year fixed, and the most popular, which is going to be the traditional 30-year fixed loan. We are seeing those rates slowly start to pick up. As you can see, as of January 21st, we are looking at a 4.009% rate for California, which is pretty crazy, as we were looking at rates at about 3.25, even down to 2 not too long ago, maybe a month and a half ago, which is kind of crazy. So this does give you the opportunity to speak with your lender, speak with your bank, speak with whoever you are currently working with to get these rates locked in. So when you go get your house, you know exactly what you're going in with. And if you are interested currently in the market, I would highly suggest starting to get out there, starting to look. I mean, there's not a lot of properties on the market as of now, but you do want to get in before these rates start getting even higher and higher. Do want to lock in a very good, you want to lock in a low mortgage rate right now, which is what we were seeing for such a long time. So I would highly suggest talking to a lender, talking to a bank, talking to somebody who can help you out. So a little breakdown of what this could mean for you, or what this means for you as a home buyer or somebody looking to get into the market. This is going to mean that so you would be able to take a lower loan amount than you would normally would been able to. So if you were able to take out a loan of, say, $500,000, you're now maybe going to be able to take out a loan of $420 for your max loan. So it affects your debt to income ratio, because you're going to be paying more monthly, as far as if you had a 3% loan and had a lower debt to income ratio. So now that means that your monthly payment is going to be higher. So that means you can't take out a higher loan amount. So it's going to cap you a little bit higher. Every percent does kind of matter. But in regards, it's not that big of a payment. It's probably going to be like an extra $150, depending on how much your loan amount is going to be.